enjoy the video, and like and subscribe. It helps us a lot, and it helps get the good content out there and keep it going.
So we're going to check out Wolverkloof today.
Wolverkloof today, Wolwekloof 4x4. It's recently become quite popular with plastic bikes, it seems. Yeah, Bridgestone Challenge, I can't even remember what year was actually held here, the qualifying rounds. So I've been here before, but I think it's slightly different.
It's very different. A playground like few, and with one of the nicest obstacles to drive called Hoppys.
So we're just getting going on at Wolverkloof, and straight away I see they've actually gone to a bit of effort to put signage up to mark the routes and to say the grade level. So good on you, Wolverkloof. Good on you. Nice one. Hoppy's reversing very close. Okay, hold up, man. I'm going to reverse a bit, give you Hoppy some space here.
Oh, also.
I'm sure that's fine. I'm sure that's fine.
One can drive around this hole, but hell, that would not be fun at all.
You have to take that line on the right, otherwise you're not going to make it through there.
Okay. Bottom 8.
It was some good excitement there through that hut. That hole is very, very, very deep in the sense that, and it's soft sand, so when you enter it, no problem, and when you go out with your front wheels, no problem. But to get the rear over, no way, just digs in. So I asked Martinez now to come drive in front of me. They have carved a new route here somewhere, which I'm not acquainted with, so I asked him to come and take the front to show us, see where that is. We head into a quarry. Here you can pick many lines and choose your fun factor level as you go on. With us here today is Steph Kaisuti, with his souped-up Jeep eagerly testing out higher ground. Jacques followed with his potent Pajero called Bixie.
Looking on the right hand side against this mountain, there's also a 4x4 trail. They call it Wolfata. Something that I really want to drive one day. Unfortunately, I haven't been driven people there for at least 10 years. Walking the cows quickly.
Yeah, we can drive here. Okay, we here now with what they call a Rubicon route. So we enter from the top side and we're going to go down. Just want to open up the window here. And we'll see how it goes.
I was going to go left. Oh, Hoppy's taking the same line as I was going to take. Nicely done, Mikey.
Thank you, bud.
Yeah, excuse the radio silence. I've just got to focus here and concentrate. This is, when I was last here, I'm pretty sure it was worse than this. Okay, we didn't do it down, we did it, and started doing it up when we did it.
You too, bud. Very well done.
Thank you. Thank you, Mikey. I think going up is probably going to be a little bit more tricky, but going down was all right.
This is now where the children are divided from the men. We're going to attempt this one up. It's going to be a risky one. Not going to be easy. If I'm not careful, I can damage my vehicle very bad here. So I'm going to try and keep to the left as far as I can and as long as I can. But then there's a rock on the left that can catch me and give me a lot of crap. So far, so good. No hassle whatsoever. Oh boy, there we go. Not a problem. Not a problem. The beast is just up to it. This thing is just a monster. And that without lockers. I cannot believe where this thing goes. That's just amazing, this car. Yes, boyki, yes. Yoo-hoo! That's a lekker one.
Yeah, you didn't struggle there at all, Mikey.
Actually, the car didn't struggle there at all. I was just a passenger. Great stuff.
So I've just put the rear locker on for in case. But I don't know that I needed it there because there's actually a lot of traction on the rock. It's just for the loose rock, I think. But there we go, up and out, no problem. Rubicon route done and dusted. Now we're crossing over from the Rubicon route, which we drove up, just drove up and down, onto the mountain route. Rocky sort of route to get there at the side of the mountain, so we're driving that now. Okay, who doesn't want a 4x4?
Then there is a few high rock steps that seem challenging, so we're going off course a bit. Alright.
So Hoppy's decided to go off course here.
Gaan.
Although it's a rocky drive, the rock here consists of a smooth surface and offers plenty traction. With a modified rear bumper, all went well and the convoy followed. But this looks so tempting, eh?
What is that now?
That's groot goed. But this is not where we're gonna drive. Actually, we're gonna go left there where you are. But I'm tempted to check out this piece here.
Tempted sort of implies that you haven't done it yet, you're actually considering it. From where I can see, it looks like you're actually moving and you're actually doing it.
Okay, so we've done the Rubicon, we've crawled up here, we're now on top of the mountain, or the sort of one of the mountain ridges here that we're following. It's very rocky and pretty good traction, but lots of rocks, some of them loose, and you end up like Hoppy now in front of me, driving the rocks loose and rolling them over, and the next guy has got to deal with the mess you left.
Going up these rocks here, which is quite technical, where I wouldn't recommend this for average vehicles though, but if you got a spotter that can help you, you can definitely go up here. It shouldn't be a problem. And then we're going up the rock here.
Get a little angle there. So easily.
The mountain is actually spectacular driving here. It's got a lot of technical sections here where you have to negotiate between rocks. But you've got an option of taking a smoother line where you don't need to crash your vehicle or anything to that effect.
Like a rocky section. There's lots of nice rocks to play with here. So definitely the Jeeps will have a very fun time here. You can choose lines from the sublime to the ridiculous.
must commend Mike and them that they really did a great job there. Martinez is doing some magic here with his off time, and don't know when he does it, but with his Fortuner with 33s on it, he's bowling the route. So this is really nice. And then a lot of rocks. Look, you want the rock garden to come play? Yeah, it's a rock garden to come play.
Mikey, there are so many places I'm going. Oh, look at that one. Oh, look at that one. Oh, look at that one. So it's lots of play space here.
Here we come down the valley. A nice little rock steppy trail down here. But you can do it with an ordinary vehicle. I think you must just pick your lines properly. But the rock formation is solid. It's no real loose rock that's going to throw you a curveball. I think up it's going to be a nice drive. I think that would be great to go up here. But we're going to go on that side. As we come down, we make a 90-degree bend and then we go up. So the mountain that you see, let me put some filter here for us. Hopefully you can see then. There you can see better. That mountain is where we're going to drive out to.
Today. Here we are on the side of the mountain, of a mountain here at Wolverkloof. It's a rock face here that we stopped at. I'm parked here. I'm leaning against my tire. I just got my coffee stuff out, made myself a quick cup of coffee, and here we are. Wish you were here. Let me turn the camera around so you can see who's speaking. It's me. Here I am, drinking my coffee. Cheers. All of you sitting at home on your couch, you could be drinking instant coffee. There's instant coffee. On the side of a mountain. Somebody brought a dog with. There's a dog. Oh, there's a dog. Looks like a shoe polish rag. I can't get in the car. I'm not laughing at it. I'm laughing with it. Now I'm laughing at it. Yeah, here we are. So, lack of view. Just stopped to drink my coffee. Gives you a good view of my fancy shocks. And yeah, just sitting on the shade side of the car. Got a little flat spot on the rock here to put my stuff. Just boil the water. I'm packing the stuff away so it doesn't blow away. It's a bit breezy up here.
That was a lekker technical piece. Piece of the road that nobody drove before. It's only a bike trail. And then I'm going to cup it through here on the left, I think. What? Oh, what the hell? I'm going to cup it through here. See, don't know the piece of trail. But there's a little obstacle here. Okay, I'm calling it little. It's not little. It's like a little baboon's pass. So if you want to know how you can do baboons, then here's a thing they call arbies.
Okay, so we're doing a thing called Arbies, which apparently some of the guys that are training for preparing for Baboon's Pass, they come here to do this. So I don't know what we're going to find here.
Hoppies is a steep rocky climb within many technical sections. We climb up in a stream of water, negotiating up some rock steps. I have no idea how far up we must go, but anyway.
Mike said there's a loop that you go around somewhere. He said that there's a loop and you come back down the same way again.
What there is in this thing is at the bottom you go through water and you pick water up on your tires, and then you have to drive through with wet tires on the first section, and I think that's
That was bumpy.
the first section. So look at the patterns in this rock that the water is made. It's like waves on the rock. It's unbelievable. So water has flowed here for a long time, obviously, and enough to erode waves onto the rock. Very picturesque, very nice. This is my cup of tea. This crawling along, picking a line. The second part is definitely tougher than the first part, and more technical, But what a nice little obstacle this is. Really nice.
Man, this is super nice here. This Hoppy spot. I tell you what, this is no play. This is like level 5 stuff. If you want Carney's Canyon exercise and come practice and get your wheel placement right, this is exactly where you should come do it. This is hectic stuff. What must go up must go down. Now it's our time to go down. We had a great time driving Wolverkloof today. The signature obstacle Hoppy's definitely ticked all my boxes. It was fun, technical and challenging, just the way we like it.
But she is hugging me. He doesn't want to let me go to look out the window.
Mike is honestly doing a great job here. Time to 4x4 and there's a time to braai. Time for everything, but braai is always in. Yeah. Here's some space to camp, 3 wooden cottages and a proper ablution block, all in an off-grid environment. Next to the lapa we have a braai, while we all share our stories with a cold one in the hand. In our next episode, we visit the new trail we developed at the Lion and Safari Park. Please subscribe and like our videos to be notified on some footage where we will share how we created this trail.
Oh dear, I should have been filming this little drive up Hoppy's, only I switched the camera off at the bottom and forgot to switch the camera on again. I forgot to switch the stupid camera on again. So all of those gross facial expressions have been missed.